Hello, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. In this video, I'm going to showcase some of the authentic food we have in Ghana. This is 𝙂𝙂𝙤𝙘 𝙁𝙤𝙧, they call it in Greater Accra. You have this food with okra soup, black soup, so many soup. Delicious soup. Are you planning a visit to Ghana this year? Okra soup is very, very dear to our hearts. And also 𝙁𝙤𝙧, we call it 𝙁𝙤𝙧, like granite soup they call it. And also this soup you can see on the screen, we use it to add to our delicious waakye or our jollof rice, or you can even have it with akpla or banku. So guys, if you're planning a visit to Ghana, do not be shy. Try our authentic cuisines. These foods are so good. They will make your holiday a memorable one. I just want to show you guys what we have in Ghana for breakfast. You can have waakye in the morning, you can have it in the afternoon, you can have it in the evening. It's not a bad thing to have waakye on all time of the day, and this is the tradition. We love our colors. Our women love to showcase our colors. So guys, share this video, like the video, and also comment where you're watching from. Have some buffet with some Fanta orange. Thank you.